That's so awesome. Big fire bombs in the sky. This is Tart speaking. We're going to upload a crazy video. It is I Corrupted. Big fire bomb. green. Like big fireballs in the sky. And this is Tart speaking. We're going to upload a crazy video. It is I Corrupted. I just like that. Not this one. I don't know what you're talking about. This is the greatest thing. And happy Bonfire Night. Happy Bonfire Night, people. Galdic, what are you doing here? The real question is, why are you in my house? Sorry, I just only came here to see the fireworks. I know what you mean, but why? This is the greatest. Happy New Year. Okay. Yet. Okay, this is going to be very interesting. This is so cool. Magic does exist, does it? I know what you mean. I guess the fireworks could be over now. Happy Christmas from me and Toad. And see you all next time.